Let's make some easy walnut rice milk. Take about 8 walnut halves, soak them overnight, rinse and drain them well. A cup of brown rice cooked really well till it's falling apart. Add a liter of water to begin with. Blend really well. Ooh, frothy. Strain. Needs to be stirred and pressed to be strained well. Collect the pulp separately in a cup. Optionally, you can re-blend it with more water, about half a liter of water. Strain once again, stir and press it out. Very little pulp left, just put it in the compost. And here we have it, delicious walnut rice milk. Enjoy! It goes great with coffee. Apart from coffee, you can have it with hot chocolate, smoothie, shake, cereal, payasam, or just drink it plain. But don't make curds with it, it does not ferment well. Connect with me at Veganosaurus.com, Veganosaurus.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.